Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the battery drain on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, what you guys want to do is let's unlock the phone. Here we need to go over to the settings. Now let me quickly change the brightness for you guys. Here in the settings, what we need to do is we need to enable battery saver. So let's scroll down until we see the battery. Now here in the battery, go to battery saver, and here click on use battery saver. You guys can either use the standard one or the maximum one. I use the maximum one to save a lot of battery. Now what you guys can do next is lower the screen brightness like I did before, or simply enable adaptive brightness, but I recommend lowering it, and you do that by going into the display. Now here in the display you will have the brightness level. Let me quickly disable the adaptive brightness for me, and here you guys can basically change the brightness level by clicking here and then changing it here on the slider. So now after you do that, what you guys can do next is go over to the control center and make sure to disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location if you don't need it. So as you guys can see here, if we don't find the location, it should be right here. We should just search for it. Location is right here, and now we can hold and drag it here. Then leave those settings, and right here we will have our location. As you guys can see, when the device location is off, then you may be not able to locate your device if it's lost. So I'll keep it on for now, but when you don't actually need it, like when you're sleeping and your phone's next to you, then you guys can disable it. Same goes with the Wi-Fi. So now what you guys can do next is identify the high draining apps in the settings. So here we need to go over to battery again. Now in the battery, go over and see the battery usage. Here we will see the apps that take the most of the battery, and what we can do with them is we can click here and we can not allow it in the background. We can enable smart use or always allow, but this will decrease our battery life by many %. So now after that, what you guys want to do is update your software to fix any battery related glitches. So go over and scroll down until you guys see the system updates. Now here, click on it and click on check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me and I'm running the latest version, but if you guys don't, then I recommend you guys running it because it can help a lot. It can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.